thing that we can do in JavaScript alongside a lot of other programming languages is print things to the console. So in JavaScript we'll do this with console.log, and whatever we want to print goes inside the brackets. If it's something like a word or a sentence, pretty much anything, we'll wrap it up with quotation marks, so the computer knows that this is like a string of letters that it wants to print. But if we want to print something like a number, we can simply write the number in. And when we learn about variables, we can print just with a variable, which is something that might hold something like a string of letters. So now I'll show you what it looks like on the P5 editor. So inside this editor, we have the setup and draw functions there for us already, but we are going to remove these because right now we're just working with the console and we're not drawing anything to the side. So to start off, I'm going to console.log hello world. This is a standard, programming print statement. And as you can see a little bit more, we can also print numbers, and we can add things that we print together to print things consecutively. The world is your oyster.